So, welcome back to Geek and Son. Today, a little something different. So, if you look, here's the Nova. Okay, I've had this Nova since I was 15 years old. It's got, I've redone all the interior and the engine, and it's just beautiful. And I've got these 14-inch craters that I've had on it forever and a day. Okay, and they're all the same all the way around, a little bit wider in the back type thing. Well, for my birthday, I actually got some new tires. Let's take a look. Dun, dun, dun. Here they are. Some 15s. Now, wait a minute. Those are not going to fit. Those 15s won't fit. Look how beautiful she is from behind, too. So I got some 15-inch Kragers. So you're like, why would you waste all that money when your tires are fine? Well, you know, 15s are supposed to be better handling, car's a little taller. And I've had this car again since I was 15 years old, and I have not once bought brand new tires for it. I still haven't, because my wife got me these for my birthday. So that's what we'll be doing today, getting some new tires for the Nova. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, here we are. We're at the local tire store. I'm gonna go in and see what they say. So we're here at the local Big O, and we're gonna bring the tires in now. Should be unlocked, yeah. There's the tires. Those aren't connected, but yeah. This ought to be fun. Cool. Did you do it? This will be the best part of the video. Look at that! Good job, dude. All right. Seems friendly. That's nice. I'll bring in a wheel or two. A wheel or one. Still doing it. We're at the local Big O Tires in my city. Don't guess where I am. It's a secret. Where you want these? And one. All right. So we'll get these taken care of, and then next we'll be putting them on the Nova. Actually, I'm gonna probably take off and let them do it, and then I'll come back and pick them up a little bit later. Thanks for watching. All right, so here we are. Here's the old wheels, and you can see before I got the front end aligned, it was wearing those tires bald. And they're fairly new, probably have less than 1,000 miles on them, but they're also 14s. And these I think I got used. And again, they're fine, but they're 14s. But here we have the brand new ones. These are these the front? These are the back. So these are 245 60 15s. And then we got some 225 60 15s to go on the back. Did I say that right? 225s on the front, 245s on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, there's the new front ones. Again, they look almost identical, but look how much higher, taller that one is. That's the same width. This one is actually, I think, shorter, let's see, but wider. Well, it's taller too, probably because of that inch. But look at the width difference. Hopefully it'll fit in there, or I'm gonna have some trouble. Since I bought these online, I paid extra to go have them mounted at the Big O. All right, let's get to it. Got a little key here, which was really common in the in the 80s to have like a lock on your wheels. I got one left. So I never leave this anywhere that somebody could steal it. I mean, I never park it outside. I never, like even at the grocery store, I'm gone for 5 minutes tops if I leave it outside, which I usually don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the back wheels first, or at least I'll loosen them first. Stay. Stay. I want to stay. I don't want to lean them up against the car either, so that sucks. And I just realized I've got an air count. So used to doing this as a kid with just by hand. Forget I got modern tools now. I'm just gonna take this one all the way off because this is a pain. Then I'll lift the car up and maybe I'll break it free first. I believe I bought these wheels with lug nuts in them. Who knows where I put them?
Hello? Wait a minute.
So here it is, little lug nut. Seriously, if I could find the other ones, I'd switch it right now. Let me break them loose. Actually, let me see if I can find the air tool. Alright, so let's be honest, I'm a little worried. These tires are gonna be too wide. But through my research online, it should be okay. So I'll put you right here. You can take a look. I need to go up a little bit too, let's see. They look all right. If I could tell my 17-year-old self, hey, someday you put brand new tires in this car when you're an old man. Something kids today may not understand, I'm not trying to be rude, but on a 5 lug, you tighten every other one. This one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. And then that way it tightens the wheel so it's level, so it's flat against the surface. So, something to learn. I'll get the other one done and then we'll take it for a spin. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, they're all on. Let's see how she rides. Gotta fix that too, it's not. It's a good thing I checked too, because one of them was loose. Sounds good. Got somebody riding my ass. Don't you know it? I don't hear any scratching here, crunching. That's good. Except for the hatchback is bouncing all over the hell. Alright, did we get any rubbing? Don't look like it. And not on the front either. Isn't that nice? She's dirty. I'm gonna take her to the car wash. Well, there you have it. Took it on a trial run. Drove it about, oh, I don't know, 20 miles, 30 miles. It's very smooth compared to what it was. The old tires were probably just the rubber was too hard. Or it could be the 15s, I don't know. Whatever it is, it worked. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.